Hi there, I'm Ryan. In part 1 of this series, I'll show you the easiest way to get your domain, 12 months of web hosting, your SSL certificate and WordPress all in one place, and in less than 10 minutes. This is Namecheap. You can find the link in the description to this website. It's really good because it has the perfect plan for beginners. So I'm going to choose EasyWP Turbo. It has 50 gigabytes of SSD storage, which is plenty for any website, up to 200,000 visitors per month, extra CPU and RAM performance, and free SSL certification. Now I want you to click the link in the description down below and follow along this tutorial. If you have any problems or any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Once you've clicked the link under this video, you'll be taken to Namecheap's homepage. So the first thing that we're going to do is get our domain name. So I want you to type into this box whatever it is that you want to call your website. So for me, I'm going to put findmynextholiday.com, and then we're going to click on the magnifying glass to see if it's available. As you can see, a list of different domains appear, with .com usually being at the top. I really recommend getting a .com website because they're the most common and usually the most reputable. So I'm just going to add that to the cart. Now a pop-up with extras has appeared. So the only extra we want to purchase is hosting, more precisely EasyWP, because that's the hosting service I just showed you guys. So I'm going to click on that, and here we are with our different options. We're going to go for EasyWP Turbo because it includes the free SSL certification. And I also recommend that you get it for the entire year instead of monthly because it works out much cheaper. So to add it to your cart, simply click on the Add to Cart button at the bottom of the option that you wish to purchase. Okay, now that's added to your cart, you can see your total at the bottom of the page. We're going to click on the checkout button. Here's the checkout. I'm just going to run through everything that's in our shopping cart. Domain registration, there's the domain that we want for 1 year, that's perfect. WhoisGuard, which is really important because it basically stops spammers from getting your personal information when you register the domain, and that's one of the main reasons I love Namecheap, because they tend to protect your personal data, which is always good, and it's free, so that's even better. And EasyWP is our web hosting for the year, that's perfect, and it's the turbo option, which is what we want. So let's just click confirm order. So now we're going to have to enter our payment method. I already have mine saved, so all I have to do is confirm the purchase. So you might notice that my total is much lower than what you previously saw, and that's normal. I'm not actually purchasing anything, it's just for the purpose of this video. Okay, so you should see this page. Don't worry if you don't. I'm going to show you how to access this page from Namecheap's website. Because sometimes this doesn't appear right away. So let's go back to Namecheap's homepage, and we click on our account name and then click on dashboard, and we click on apps, which is between product list and profile, and there it is, EasyWP. So I just want you to click on the octopus icon, and it should load, hopefully. There we go. So let's just click on set up WordPress, and we're back on this page. Now in the domain on Namecheap box, you'll find your domain name that you've just registered. So simply select that, and we click on continue. And now we click on create WordPress website to confirm. It shouldn't take too long, just a couple of seconds. It's basically launching our website. Yes, it's that easy. And it will take us to the EasyWP dashboard where we control lots of options for our website. So there we go, your website is live. That's great. You can find WordPress credentials on your email. So I'm going to go to my Gmail inbox, and there it is, EasyWP email. And here we can find a link to the WordPress dashboard, a username and password, which we can use to log in to the WordPress dashboard. So I'm simply going to copy the password, and we'll come back to this later. For now, I'm going to go back onto the dashboard. We're changing your domain, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I want you just to refresh the page if the warning appears, and it should go. And now we're going to set up our SSL certificate because we haven't done that yet. And don't worry, it's really simple. So in the website options on the page, we see title, domain, SSL certificate status. So let's click on manage. And we can see it's inactive. Certificate, let's click on add. And we click on free positive SSL. That's the certificate that's included in our hosting plan. And we click change. So usually it takes a few hours to install the SSL certificate. So if it doesn't install right away, don't worry, that's totally normal. You'll get a warning message saying that we're activating your SSL certificate. There we go. I'm going to show you how to log into your WordPress dashboard. So in the email that you received from EasyWP, there's a link to this dashboard, but you can also access it by typing in your domain. So for me, it's findmydreamholiday.com/wp-admin. And then we simply enter the username and password that was in the email we just received. There we go. We're finally in our WordPress dashboard. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to actually build your own website in under 15 minutes. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Finally, if you have any questions about this tutorial, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll get back to you right away.